My little one's so cute. He said, Mom, what are you doing? You created a yellow Santa. I said, not to worry. It's a riot. Santa's not yellow. I add a little blue texture to this just by rubbing my finger around. Just so now he's going to be like, Mom, now you have, see, that way you'll see some yellow, some blue. I just want it to be a bright Santa, you know. I don't want it to and that's why I wanted the yellow. I wanted to have little bits of yellow throughout it, but not tons of it. And of course this is just for this part. Just this kind of middle part I want to look more, look at my hands, just kind of rubbing it off, some of it, keeping some of it on. I want it to look kind of roughy looking, like I sanded on, but I don't really want to sand it. But of course, my son would have a fit if he didn't have a red Christmas hat. But I want to be able to see the yellow through it too, so that's why I'm using my fingers to paint it. So I don't want to not be able to see some yellow. Bells will be ringing for me. Now I'm going to add the red, but I'm going to use my finger. That way you can see the yellow, you can see the blue. And I know, like, when I first do things, I'm like, what am I doing? And it seems to turn out the way I like it. So let's keep moving this on. I wanted it to dry, the yellow and the blue, and with acrylic paint it dries so fast. And that way you could see the yellow, you could see the blue. I don't want a whole lot of it, because I don't want to miss out on what I just created. Just a little bit. It's a little bit of luck. I'm going to have to paint the whole face red. Don't mind having some darker than others. if I don't use my hand, then a lot of this won't come out multicolor, and it'll just come out one color, and that's not the look I'm trying to get. I want to be able to see how you could see some blues, you could see some yellows, you could see, that's the way I want it to be. And then I'll sand it a little. But I want it mostly red. Mostly red. So I don't mind if this has more red. A few yellow spots, mostly red. I'm not sure if I want to, how I want to do his hands, if I want them together. That's the way I originally wanted it to be, like this. Then I've got to fix it so that it will be the way I want it. As you see up close, you could see the yellows, you could see, I don't want too much yellow though. You know, I don't want a whole arm being yellow like that. Just, I don't mind some, but I want a streak of red going down. Just a streak of red. So now I've got to let it dry. And it still needs stamping, it needs some white. You know, I'm going to really funk up this Santa.